AC bridges. AC bridges are those circuits which are used to measure the unknown resistance, capacitance, and inductance. These are basically different types of AC bridges. The main AC bridges are given below: Maxwell bridge, Hayes bridge, and third one is sharing bridge, and fourth one is Wayne's bridge. Now we describe the first Maxwell bridge. So Maxwell bridge, in this bridge these are two pure resistance used for balance resistance, but on other side or other arms the two unknown impedance are used. The known impedance and resistance make the unknown impedances as Z1 and Z2. Such as network is known as Maxwell AC bridge as shown in the figure. And this is the AC Maxwell bridge. This is the first arm, this is the second arm, this is the third arm, and this is the forearm, also known as unknown arm of AC Maxwell bridge. जितने भी हमारे ब्रिज होते हैं, एसी ब्रिज जो भी होते हैं, वो हमारे व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज के सिद्धांत पर काम करते हैं, जिसकी बैलेंस कंडीशन हमारी होती है बैलेंस कंडीशन Z1 Z4 equal to Z2 Z3. By the comparing of balance condition, we got R2 plus j omega L2 into R3 equal to Rx plus j omega Lx कोष्टक bracket R1. By solving this equation, we got Rx equal to R2 R3 upon R1 and Lx equal to R3 L2 upon R1. This is the unknown values. This is the unknown impedance values. Now the advantage of a Maxwell inductance bridge: the measurement is independent of frequency. Second is the bridge yields simple expression for inductance. Third one is it can measure inductance from 1 Henry to 1000 Henry. Now the second bridge is Hayes bridge. It is the modification of Maxwell bridge and is particularly useful if the phase angle of inductive impedance is large. This is the circuit diagram of Hayes bridge. Okay. Now the unknown inductor L1 is placed in the arm AV along with the resistance R. This one is resistance R. The C4 and R4 are adjusted for making the bridge in the balance condition. For balance condition, this is the C4 and R4. Okay. Now derivation by Hayes bridge. Derivation of Hayes bridge: L1 equal to unknown inductance having a resistance R, R2, R3, R4 equal to non-inductive resistance C4 equal to standard capacitor at balance condition. बैलेंस कंडीशन में क्या होगा हमारा R1 प्लस जे ओमेगा L1 कोष्टक नाउ अगेन ब्रैकेट R4 माइनस जे अपॉन ओमेगा C4 ब्रैकेट इक्वल टू R2 R3. नाउ R1 R4 प्लस L1 अपॉन C4 प्लस जे ओमेगा L1 R4 माइनस का जे R1 अपॉन ओमेगा C4 इक्वल टू R2 R3. By separating the real and imaginary part, we obtain R1 R4 plus L1 upon C4 equal to R2 R3. This is the equation 1. And L1 equal to minus R1 upon omega square R4 C4. This is the equation 2. By solving both equations, we got L1 value and R1 value. L1 equal to R2 R3 C4 upon 1 plus omega square R4 square C4 square, and R1 equal to omega square C4 square R2 R3 R4 upon 1 plus omega square R4 square C4 square. This is the unknown impedance. And we also find out the quality factor by the help of Hayes bridge. Quality factor Q equal to omega n upon r1 equal to 1 upon omega square c4 r4. And now advantages of the Hayes bridge. First one is it can measure inductance with high quality factor, अर्थात इज ग्रेटर देन 10, यानी क्यू की वैल्यू अगर हमारी 10 से ज़्यादा है तब भी ये उसका क्वालिटी फैक्टर मेजर कर सकता है. इट कैन बी यूज फॉर मेजरिंग इंक्रीमेंट इंडक्टेंस. नाउ थर्ड वन इज शेयरिंग ब्रिज. शेयरिंग ब्रिज यूज फॉर द measurement of capacitance and dielectric loss of a capacitor. It is a device for comparing an imperfect capacitor C2 in term of loss free standard capacitor C1 as shown in figure. Means this one is the imperfect capacitor and this one is the standard capacitor. And we why vary this capacitor value? We got the unknown capacitance and resistance. Okay, this is the sharing bridge. Then by comparing the balance condition of a bridge, we got the Cx C3 R1 upon R2 and we got Rx R2 C1 upon C3. This is the unknown capacitance and reactance values, also called unknown impedance values. Okay. Now advantages of sharing bridge. It can measure small capacitors at low voltage precisely, and second one is the direct reading for Cx can be obtained by graduating C3 accordingly if resistance is maintained at a fixed value. Now last one is वेन ब्रिज. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड वेन पैरेलल ब्रिज. ये हमारा वेन ब्रिज जो होता है वो वेन पैरेलल ब्रिज भी कहलाता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो ए रेशियो ब्रिज यूज्ड मेनली एज द फीडबैक नेटवर्क इन द वाइड रेंज ऑफ frequency RC oscillator. It is not accurate as the modern digital frequency meters as shown in figure. This is the circuit diagram of Wien bridge. Now this is the value of frequency omega equal to 1 upon root r1 r2 r1 r3 c1 c3. Omega equal to 2 pi fc. Okay, and show f equal to omega upon 2 pi c. We got the frequency by the help of this bridge. Okay.